We all understand the importance of limiting the amount of time our children spend mindlessly in front of their screens. As STEM educators, we also understand that technology is developed in order to make our lives easier. Screens are made to be tools, and as educators, we can wield these tools for the benefit of our children. The virtual school programs at the Discovery Center of Idaho are designed to both stand alone as educational videos that students can watch on their own and used in a classroom or homeschool setting by the learning facilitator to spark conversation, make connections to other class content, encourage deeper inquiry, and inspire lifelong interest in learning in science, technology, engineering, and math. This video will share a few basic steps to best utilize this technology in your classroom or learning environment. There are three main ways to use these videos. First, you could use it as preparation for your in-person field trip or visit to the Discovery Center of Idaho. You could also use it as a follow-up after your in-person trip. Or you could use it as an alternative to an in-person trip to the Discovery Center of Idaho. In order to support all three of these approaches, we've designed the structure of the videos to include elements that allow teacher facilitators to engage in multiple ways, in addition to materials that allow for manipulation and modification to fit the needs of each learning environment. Throughout each video, we suggest times when it might be appropriate to pause and explore topics as a class. With each pause and reflection, we often include our own approach to what kinds of reflections we might lead for educator facilitators to use. For example, so this is a chance for you to pause the video and ask yourself our observational questions. What do I see and what do I notice? What is familiar and what is new? And what patterns do I see? What is the story that this piece is telling and what does it mean? Talk about your observations as a class and take as long as you need to. After pausing, you can continue listening to us go through our observations. At the end of each video, we include a Q&A review section that asks students to retrieve key information from the video. As a video, this section is also easy to pause and expand on by educators and provides students watching without facilitation the opportunity to reflect on what they've observed. So let's do a little review to see what we remember. Question 1. What are the parts of an atom? Is it electric, positive, and neutral? Are they electrons, protons, and neutrons? Or are they electroid, protein, and neutron? Ooh, what do you guys think? You can ask your friends, see if you guys come up with together. Are you ready? B, electron, proton, and neutron. Okay, let's see what the next question is. We provide full transcripts of each video as well as the slides we use for the video. These resources can be used by educator facilitators to modify their own versions for what each classroom might need. The educator resource guides also include links to additional video resources, standards connections, and additional activity resources to dig even deeper into the exhibition topic. All packages also come with detailed instructions and materials to lead hands-on activities and art projects that help students have fun and create with the knowledge they've gained. Thank you for considering our virtual school programs as tools for inspiring your children to have a lifelong interest in science, technology, engineering, and math.